Hi loves, welcome back to my channel. I hope everyone is doing okay. Today's video is in collaboration with Jeulia Jewelry. Yes, you guys heard me right. It's been forever since I did a collaboration. They were kind enough to send me a set of wedding ring, and you guys know how expensive wedding rings go for. It is no joke, but if you can find a cheaper alternative, why not? I have on here my new wedding band, and this is a 24 karat gold, and the diamond stone is really big. The price of this ring, guys, I don't even want to go into that right now. So I'll quickly be unboxing the ring they sent to me. Here is the ring, and with this collaboration, just to let you guys out there know that I wasn't paid for this, but I do have a discount code beneath the description box. Use that discount code to save some money. I hope I have made myself clear. I'm quickly going to open up the box, and at the moment they're having their 5th anniversary sales, so all information you need about this company will be beneath the description box. It came with this. I'm quickly going to open up this for you guys. In here you have the Jeulia Jewelry thing going on there. You also have a greeting card from Jeulia. You have here your cloth cleaner. You also have the booklet. Instructions about the jewelry. A discount code, $15 off an order over $100. Coupon codes going on here, and I have the ring here. My ring size, I chose a US size 8, which is an Europe size P, P for Paul, Peter, and the rest of it. And here we go. I'm quickly going to take off my wedding band, and I'll pop this on for you guys to see. This is what she looks like. It's really big. I'll pop this into my ring finger like so. The next one I have is this one, and the stone is massive. Guys, this is more ring for you. The bigger the better. I'm quickly going to take this off, and I'll pop this in there. Bam! Guys, can you see this? For $170, you can't beat that price. If you're purchasing this particular ring for the first time, with the coupon code, you will be saving $15. I'm going to zoom in my camera for you guys to see. Stop looking at my finger. Guys, they do not just do wedding rings. They do other type of jewelry such as earrings, bracelets, necklaces, and the rest of it. If you're getting married and you are on budget, my advice is go out and visit this website. You do not need to break the bank because you're getting married. The most important thing is that you have a good wedding band. You don't have to go out there and spend thousands upon thousands on just a wedding ring. At the end of the day, no one is gonna be paying your bills, you know. You need to eat after your wedding. You have bills to pay after the wedding. So why go out there and spend thousands on a wedding band when you know you can't afford it? Even if you can afford it, you just have to be wise with money these days. You get what I'm saying? Like, I can't stop looking at my finger. I'm gonna say that again and again. It is really well made. This set doesn't look cheap at all. I must say the craftsmanship that went into this particular set, it's up there. The shipping of this ring to Ireland took 2 weeks and 3 days to get to me, which is not that bad, but my advice is that Julia's Space should do something about the shipping, at least a weekend to get to your customers in Europe. I'll continue to wear this particular set. I love it so much. What I'm going to do is that in my upcoming videos, I will keep you guys posted about this ring. I'm going to give this ring a 9.5/10 because it took 2 weeks and 3 days to get to me in Ireland. Apart from that, I would have given this a 10/10, and this is going to be my last video before my trip. Imagine losing your parents within less than a year. That's so crazy. I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel for more fun videos. Hit the little bell so you'll be notified whenever I upload. Let me know what you guys think about this ring. Would you be getting it? Do you like it? Even if you don't like the massive stone, they have other types of rings as well. What else do I have to say? Leave your comments beneath. Links to my previous videos will be here and beneath the description box. I love you guys so much, and I can't wait to see you guys in my next video. Bye.